Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to draw this sketch sample and we will draw these lines and we will apply the dimensions and the relations and we will make this sketch fully fine. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, just click on new part, okay? And now we have a new part. For drawing the sketch, we have to choose a plane in SolidWorks. And here we have three standard planes, front plane, top plane, and right plane, or we can create plane. I will tell you what's the use of these planes, but for now, just click on the front plane and choose a sketch. Now we have open a sketch. First thing first, we have to start drawing our sketch from the origin point. And here I choose line and here we have a vertical line. So you can see as you get close to the origin point, an orange point here it appears. It means that if I click on this point, the line will be connected to the origin point. Now you can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the vertical relation will be applied to my line. Now I draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. And here we have another line here, horizontal line and a line here. Sorry, my mouse is not working properly. Sorry about that. And here we have another line. So I will apply the dimensions and the relations after drawing these lines. So I keep drawing the lines and a line here and a vertical line. You can see the yellow symbol and a horizontal line. So now right click, select to exit the tool. Now I have to make this line horizontal, I have to make it horizontal, and here in add relation I give it a horizontal relation. If you can't see the relation or the dimensions, come in hide and show items and you can turn on or turn off the view sketch relation or the dimension. This line is constructed, so here I choose the line and in option I choose for construction and okay. Now the line here is constructed. Here I choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the point here is 10 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to the point here is 20 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to the line here is 25 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to the origin point is 15 millimeter. So you can see the lines are turning to black. It means that my sketch is becoming fully defined because of the dimensions and the relations. And be careful about the dimensions and the relations. And the dimension from this point to the origin point is 5 millimeter. And the dimension from this point to the origin point is 25 millimeter. And the dimension from dimension of this line is 20 millimeter. And what dimension do we have here? The dimension from this point to the point here is 60 millimeter. My sketch is not still fully defined because of the line here. This line is blue and my sketch is still moving because of a dimension here. So here I have to apply a dimension. The dimension of this line is 15 millimeter. Now everything is black and you can see here my sketch is fully fine. Now all we have to do is just mirror these lines to this side of the center line, and this is the reason why I have drawn the center line here. So here I choose mirror entities and here I choose mirror about and I choose the center line here. And again I choose entities to mirror and I choose this line and the lines here. So you can see the yellow lines here. It means that if I press the OK button here, the lines will be copied to this side of the center line and the line here. And be careful the copy, it must be copied to this side of the center line. And you can see we have drawn our sketch and everything is black and our sketch is fully defined because of the relations and the dimensions. Please practice at home and do it yourself. It's very, very important to draw the sketch alone and practice at home. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to watch my other videos, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments.